everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix YouTube lagging on your mobile device. So let's get started. First thing first, ensure your internet connection is stable and fast enough to stream videos without buffering. You can use speed test websites or apps to check your connection speed. After that, simply refresh the YouTube web page or restart the YouTube app. It can also resolve temporary issues which causes lagging. After that, simply go to the App Store and search for the YouTube app on the search address bar and tap on the YouTube and make sure your YouTube app is up to date with the latest version, because updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. If there is an update icon available right next to the YouTube on App Store, then make sure to update your app. After that, go back to the settings. Inside settings, tap on the General. Inside General, tap on the iPhone storage. Now inside iPhone storage, scroll down and tap on the YouTube app from the listed apps. Now simply tap on the Upload app. So what happens is, after uploading the app, it will clear the cache and cookies. So it might resolve the performance issues of the YouTube. And after doing all this, restart your device. By following this step, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix most common issues causing YouTube lag.
So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.